we discuss about the Chapitz method. This Chapitz method is used to solve a non-linear partial differential equation. Let us consider a non-linear partial differential equation of the form f of x, y, z, p, q equal to 0. To solve this non-linear partial differential equation, we have to follow some steps. First, we have to write the auxiliary equation. The auxiliary equation is dx by minus dou f by dou p equal to dy by minus dou f by dou q equal to dz by minus p into dou f by dou p minus q into dou f by dou q equal to dp by dou f by dou x plus p into dou f by dou z equal to dq by dou f by dou y plus q into dou f by dou z. Next, we have to solve these auxiliary equations to find p, q values. Then dz can be represented as p into dx plus q into dy. If we solve this dz, we get the complete solution for the given non-linear partial differential equation. Let us see the example. Solve 2xz minus px square minus 2qxy plus pq equal to 0. If we see this partial differential equation, it is in terms of x, y, z, p, q. So it is of the form f of x, y, z, p, q equal to 0, which is nothing but a non-linear PDE. So to solve this type of equation, initially we have to consider auxiliary equation. So to find the auxiliary equation, we require f. That means here f is 2xz minus px square minus 2qxy plus pq. To find the auxiliary equation, initially we require the partial derivatives of this f with respect to p, q, x, y, z. Let us now find dou f by dou p. So dou f by dou p means we have to partially differentiate f with the p. That means p is only the variable. Then dou f by dou p equal to minus x square plus q. Next, dou f by dou q is, if we partially differentiate f with respect to q, that is, simply treat q as the variable and remaining all are constants. Then we get minus 2xy plus p. Similarly, dou f by dou x equal to 2z minus 2xp minus 2qy. Next, dou f by dou y equal to minus 2qx. Similarly, dou f by dou z is 2x. After finding these partial derivatives, now we have to write the auxiliary equation. The auxiliary equation is dz by minus dou f by dou p equal to dy by minus dou f by dou q equal to dz by minus p into dou f by dou p minus q into dou f by dou q equal to dp by dou f by dou x plus p into dou f by dou z equal to dq by dou f by dou y plus q into dou f by dou z. If we substitute the estimated partial derivatives in this, then we get dz by x square minus q equal to dy by 2xy minus p equal to dz by minus p into minus x square plus q minus q into minus 2xy plus p equal to dp by 2z minus 2xp minus 2qy plus 2px equal to dq by minus 2qx plus 2qx. Now we have to solve this auxiliary equation and we have to find p comma q values. Now to find the one solution, if we see the last term, in the last term we have dq by minus 2qx plus 2qx. That means we get dq by 0. Now to find one solution, simply we may take last term and any of the remaining terms. Suppose if we take last term and any term, okay, last term and any term if we take, we get dq equal to 0. If we integrate this, we get q equal to a. Let us consider this as a one solution and let it be equation 2 and consider the given equation as 1. Now to find another solution, simply put this q value in equation 1. Then we get a p value, that is p equal to 2x into a by minus z by a minus x square on simplification. Now we have to put this p and q values in dz to find the solution. Okay. Now consider dz, that is a dz equal to p dx plus q dy. Now we can write this as a dz equal to 2x into ay minus z by a minus x square into dx plus a into dy. On separating the variables, we can represent this as dz minus a into dy by z minus ay equal to 2x by x square minus a into dx. Now to get the solution, if we apply integration on both sides, we get log of z minus ay equal to log of x square minus a plus some constant. As we get two terms in terms of log, let us consider it as a log b. Then we can write this as log of z minus ay equal to log of b into x square minus a. So from this we get z equal to ay plus b into x square minus a as the simplified value for that log, which is the required solution for the given non-linear partial differential equation. Thank you.